Sometimes the best homes aren't always the biggest ones. They're the ones where all the hard work has already been done. This North Phoenix home has brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom, and other major updates that have been done this year. And it's just minutes away from ASU West. So if you're looking for a turnkey home that is completely ready for you to move in, then I think this one's gonna surprise you. So let's go on in and take a look. As you step inside, you'll notice the open feel right away in this big, great room. The living space flows easily into the dining area and kitchen, making it comfortable for everyday living and easy for entertaining. And this kitchen is truly brand new. Got new maple cabinets, new quartz countertops, new sink, new fixtures, new stainless steel appliances. Plus, it goes right into a dedicated laundry room. These are all details that make life easier. Now, the primary suite offers privacy and comfort with a completely renovated bathroom featuring new cabinets, new countertops, updated fixtures, and a beautifully refreshed tile shower. You'll also appreciate the large walk-in closet. Now, the 2 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, roommates, a home office, or growing families, and they share a well-maintained guest bath. The home also features new double-pane windows and a brand new sliding glass patio door to help you step outside to your private backyard retreat. That's got a huge covered patio and a spacious grassy area perfect for play, pets, or other relaxed outdoor gatherings. So with no HOA, close to the park, and easy access to shopping, dining, I-17, Loop 101, and ASU West, this location truly makes life convenient. As you can see, this home is fresh, bright, and ready for you to move in. If you have any questions or would like to see it in person, give me a call. I'm April Borst with Arizona Best Real Estate, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.